Hey everyone, welcome back to Woodworking Advisor. Today's video is a little different. Instead of me picking a project, I'm letting AI decide. That's right, I asked an AI tool to generate a woodworking project for me, and now my job is to actually build it. Sounds crazy, right? Let's see if this digital brain knows what it's doing. Here it is, the design AI gave me. Honestly, it looks interesting. It's supposed to be a piece of furniture, maybe something like a coffee table or bookshelf. At first glance, it looks sleek, but when you think about actually building it, there are some serious challenges. For example, the angles don't quite make sense, and some parts look like they're just floating. Still, I'm going to try my best to bring this AI vision to life. Step 1 is figuring out what materials I'll need. The AI didn't exactly give me a cut list, so I'll have to improvise. I've picked out some solid boards, plywood, and a few scraps that should match the design. I'll make a quick sketch with measurements to turn AI's idea into something buildable. Already, I'm adjusting a few things so it doesn't collapse on me. Time to cut. I'm starting with the base pieces, because no matter what the AI imagined, this project needs a strong foundation. As I cut these boards down, I'm realizing that AI doesn't really think about wood grain or stability. So I'm making some judgment calls to make sure this doesn't wobble like crazy. Okay, here comes the fun part. Assembly. The AI's design has these really sharp angles, so I'm using clamps and glue to hold everything in place while I adjust. Honestly, this part feels like solving a puzzle. The design looks clean on a computer screen, but in real life, wood has thickness, screws need space, and things don't just float in midair. Still, I think it's coming together. Now, here's the problem. The AI wanted this joint to be almost invisible. In reality, that's impossible without some serious engineering. So I'm modifying the design just enough to make it practical, but still keeping the AI's vision. This is where woodworking meets problem solving, and honestly, that's what I love about challenges like this. After a few hours of cutting, gluing, and tweaking, it's finally standing on its own. Now for the finishing touches. I'm sanding down all the rough edges, smoothing out the surfaces, and adding a nice stain. This way it doesn't just look like some weird AI experiment. It actually looks like a polished piece of furniture. And here it is, the final result, side by side with the AI's original design. What do you think? Did I nail it, or is this more of an inspired by AI build? Personally, I think it turned out better than I expected. AI has the imagination, but woodworkers like us bring it to life. If you enjoyed this experiment, let me know in the comments. Should I let AI pick my next project again? Or maybe you want me to go head-to-head with AI in a different kind of challenge. Hit that like button if you had fun watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking builds. Until next time, keep creating.